How to use Wonder Pick in Pokemon TCG Pocket. I'm just going to open up the app itself here, and I'm on the home screen currently. So in the bottom left corner you should be able to see Wonder Pick. So this is how it works. If we select Wonder Pick, you will see some random picks that have been generated like this from the app itself, and if we scroll down you will see people here and their cards. Now what you can do if you like any of the cards that are being displayed here, so for example let's say that I want to use the Chansey pick. So if I click on this person or this picks option, I can click on OK, and it's going to take two of my currency here for Wonder Pick. Then it's going to shuffle the cards and they will be completely random. If you manage to hit the one that you want to get, just like that, you can select any card and you can take the card. Now it doesn't take the card from the person, him or herself. It is just going to take it at random, and the person gets to keep their card as well. So it's a win-win for both parties. So I hope this helps, hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.